What is this, brother? Now, huh? So right now he's making egg chow. Look, guys. So if you come to Kolkata, hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your friend John. So today I'm here with a new vlog. So behind me, as you can see, the Chinese stall, okay, the Desi Indian Chinese stall, okay. So right now this brother is making fried rice. So if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. So let's dive in and see. I know what are the Desi Chinese items that they sell on the street of Kolkata. Okay, so let's go. Begin, guys. All right. So as you can see, right now this brother, hi brother. So this brother is making, fried rice. So this is a Desi Chinese, Look, guys. So this is the. So these are the ingredients that he has over here, right? So right now he added some black pepper, some salt and some sugar for the ingredients to come together, right? And he added some rice vinegar and some Szechuan chili paste, I guess. This is the Szechuan chili paste, right, bro? So right now you're making chicken or egg fried rice. Brother, is this chicken rice or egg rice? Egg rice. Egg rice. This is the egg fried rice, guys. It's cool, right? So this brother is selling this on top of the main road here, okay? So as you can see, right, so the shop is right on top of the main road here, okay? This is the main road, right? You see the cars and everything is like passing, right? And the shop is located here right on top of the main road. Look, guys. Look. What is this, brother? Now, huh? So right now he's making egg chow. Look, guys. So if you come to Kolkata, please do try this, roadside Desi Chinese stall that they have, right? And they really make some really good food. You can really get some good tasty food on the street of Kolkata, right? Like this, guys. Look, and let me show you, what are the things that they get over here, right? Look, guys. So this is the chili chicken dry, I guess. See, it's almost finished, right? So the time right now is like 3:30, 4 in the afternoon, and most of the dishes are empty, right? And this is the what is this? This is the spring roll. Look at the size. It's about my size, my hand size, right? So this is the spring roll, and you even get pasta, right? Chicken pasta, egg pasta, right? So this is the rice that he kept in a small vessel. And this is the chow, right? Look, guys. Right. So, bro, if anybody wants to come and so no, if anybody like koi aayega to aapko khojega, where to come? Where can people find you? Tell the address. Address batao. 25A Legacy Building. Okay, you come and find this building here, Legacy Building. And this brother, is selling the food right on top of the main road here, right? And they even have momo, right? You see, that's the momo, right? So, okay. So this is the momo, guys. Look. It's crazy, right? This is the chicken rice. Look, guys. And once you get the food, right, they give you three different sauce. Okay, this is the tomato ketchup, this is the chili vinegar, and this is the spicy tangy sauce, right? Yeah, and they give you, you know, some cucumber and onion as well along with it. And yeah, and you can even have some, you know, ketchup like this in the bottle, right? You see, now let me ask him, you know, what time he opens. Look guys, so this is right on top of the main road, you know, in Kolkata, right? Come and find these people here, right? Come and find this building, you know, and these people, they sell this, you know, Chinese dish, and it's nice. It's nice. That's why it's all empty, right? It's nice. That's why it's all empty, right, guys? So yeah, people in Kolkata, you know, I think Chinese food was invented in Kolkata, right? If you go and, you know, search in Google, Chinese food was invented, like, you know, in Kolkata, you know, like if you talk about India, you know, the first, you know, city to, you know, really go crazy on Chinese food was Kolkata. You know, here we are, guys. Okay, now, bro, what time you open? आप कितना बजे खोलते हैं? Afternoon. So look, guys, he opens at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Right now the time is 3:30 or 4. You know, most of the, you know, items are empty, right? So it's nice. See, people love eating Chinese food here in Kolkata, right? So yeah, you can see yourself. Now that was it, guys. Come and find these people, you know. And yeah, thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you, brother. Okay, so yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you for watching my vlog. And if you like this vlog, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button, and please follow my Facebook page. Thank you. I will see you in my next vlog. Love, peace. Let's make memories. Bye bye. Take care.